In this video, we're gonna perform the fingerprint sensor speed test on Samsung Galaxy S26. We're gonna see how long does it take to unlock the phone with the fingerprint. Of course, we have under display fingerprint sensor located here in this place, and it is an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So this means that usually we can just tap on the sensor in order to unlock the phone. So it doesn't take too long to actually to hold to be able to unlock the phone. Of course, as you can see, the phone actually takes a little bit of time to unlock, at least sometimes. I'm not sure what is the difference. I mean, what can cause the difference, but it is not too long. It doesn't take too long to actually unlock it still. And as you can see, I can just simply tap on the sensor. I don't have to hold my finger at all in order to unlock it. Although maybe if I just lift it too quickly, or if I place my finger incorrectly, because maybe I just scanned my finger incorrectly actually, then in that case, of course, it might not always work, but it is still pretty good, I mean. Of course, in addition to that, we're gonna check the sensor when the phone is completely locked. So in this case, let's see if it's actually working at all. So yes, even if the screen is locked, we can hold our finger at least in order to unlock it, to unlock the phone. Of course, tapping usually doesn't work. We need to actually press for a little bit longer. But of course, this is pretty standard. This is how it is for pretty much every smartphone. Every time the display is completely off, then of course the sensor is also not awakened. So the phone needs just a little bit of time to actually wake up the sensor and to use it. So you have to keep that in mind. Still, I think it's pretty rapid, it's pretty fast. Of course, mostly thanks to the fact that that it is an ultrasonic sensor. I'm gonna also check always on display, but first I need to change it a little bit. We're gonna go over here and set it to always, so that the always on display is going to always be enabled. And in this case, let's see. It's almost identical, although it did display, there we go, that I have to press a little longer. So maybe it's not as fast as on the lock screen, because here we can actually just tap. On AOD, you have to hold it for a tiny amount of time. I'm not sure if that makes any significant difference, but it's just how it is on this phone. So I would say that the fingerprint sensor is of course really fast. It is an ultrasonic sensor, so of course thanks to that fact, the sensor is just that fast. And unfortunately there is a little bit of a difference on AOD, but the difference is not really that big, and I think we can forgive Samsung for that. It's pretty decent anyway. And unfortunately when the phone is off, then we have to hold for a little bit longer, but that once again cannot really be a surprise, because it's just how it is, mostly due to the fact that the sensor is simply not awakened, not active when the display is completely disabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.